The million dollar question for home buyers and potentially even for home sellers is, are home prices going to come down? Today's headlines and news stories about home prices are confusing and make it tough to know what's really happening. That's why you need a trusted professional in your corner. Some say home prices are heading for a correction, but what do the facts say? Well, it helps to start by looking at what a correction means. And that's where Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, comes in. She says, in stock market terms, a correction is generally referred to as a 10 to 20% drop in prices. We don't have the same established definitions in the housing market. In the context of today's housing market, it doesn't mean home prices are going to fall dramatically. It only means prices, which have been increasing rapidly over the past couple of years, are normalizing a bit. In other words, they are now growing at a slower pace. Now, of course, prices vary a lot by local market. That's why, if you are wondering about our local market, instead of looking at the national numbers, you have to look at the more local numbers, which your real estate agent can provide. So prices vary a lot by local market, but rest assured a big drop off isn't what's happening at a national level. The real estate market is normalizing. From 2020 to 2022, home prices skyrocketed. And that rapid increase was due to high demand, low interest rates, and a shortage of homes for sale. But that kind of aggressive growth could not continue forever. Today, price growth has started to slow down, which is a sign that the market is beginning to normalize. The most recent data from Case-Shiller shows that after being basically flat for a couple of months last year, prices are going up at a national level, just not as quickly as before. Check out this chart. Home prices are moderating. So they were even for April, down a little bit in May, and then about even in June of 2023. However, they're now starting to come back up around the 5+ percentile range. So the big takeaway is that so far this year, there's been a much healthier pace of price growth compared to the pandemic. Of course, that's what's happening now, but you may be wondering what's next for prices. Marco Santarelli, the founder of Norada Real Estate Investments, puts it this way. Experts' forecasts lean towards a moderation in home price growth over the next 5 years. And this translates to a slower and more sustainable pace of appreciation compared to the breakneck speed witnessed in recent years, rather than a free fall in prices. And it's all about supply and demand. Increasing inventory plus limited buyer demand due to relatively high mortgage rates will continue to ease some of the upward pressure on prices. So what does this mean for you? What it means is that if you are thinking about buying a home, slowing price growth is welcome news, because skyrocketing home prices during the pandemic left many would-be home buyers feeling priced out. While it's still a good thing to know the value of the home you buy will likely continue to go up once you own it, slowing price gains are making things feel more manageable. Odetta Cucci, the deputy chief economist at First American, put it this way. While housing affordability is low for potential first-time home buyers, slowing price appreciation and lower mortgage rates could help. So the dream of home ownership isn't boarded up just yet. The bottom line here is that at a national level, home prices are not going down, and most experts forecast they'll continue growing moderately moving forward. But prices vary a lot by local market, and that's where a trusted real estate agent comes into play. If you have questions about what's happening with prices in our area, please reach out. This is David Hittle with United Real Estate Louisville. I hope you have an amazing day.